Bulletin, EAS activation requested child abduction emergency. Corrected date National Weather Service Phoenix, Arizona 2:40 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Friday, August 12, 2011. Amber Alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Highway Patrol. Child abduction emergency for Southern California. A child abduction occurred on August 7 at 9 a.m. in Sacramento, California. The child's name is Madeline Layla Salmon Faye, a 2-year-old Egyptian female. The suspect is Morad Moeni Saman, a 49-year-old Egyptian male. The suspect is possibly driving a 1998 dark green Toyota 4Runner, California license plate number 3 XRN 111. To report possible sightings, call 911.